is super dirty and we need to get it cleaned up, man. Especially how dirty the motor is. This thing's really showing up. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in the garage. We just uploaded a video earlier today. I don't know if y'all tuned into it. We got the red Roadglide right here in the back, our 2015. We finally got some power to that joint. So today we are about to get this thing hopefully started. It's cranking over. I gotta just check everything. I gotta make sure the spark plug wire is not backwards done like that. So after I do that, we should hopefully get this thing to crank over, and I definitely gotta make sure there's some gas in there because these things be empty like the silver one. But we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna wash this thing up. Like I said before, the only thing I really gotta do left is fix that back brake caliper to really open it up to get on the rotor. And then besides that, we gotta just go ahead and get the risers for the front fender and call it a day, man, and get that blinker and that light. But we're closer than close. We done made a lot of progress, man. It's finally game time. I cannot wait, man. So we're about to go ahead and get to it, y'all. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably wash the bike because now I just noticed the gas tank is completely empty. I need to go and get some gas. So if I can make some progress washing it really fast before we do that, that'll be cool. That way when we get back, we can go ahead and put that gas and have everything nice and clean and go from there. Because this thing is super dirty and we need to get it cleaned up, man. I know most certainly I'm tired of looking at it like this with all this dirt, especially how dirty the motor is. Yes, sir, man. So we finally got this bike cleaned up, looking good. Y'all seen how dirty it was? This red look amazing. Like, y'all so lucky y'all get these bikes, dude. I can't wait. I gotta get me like 3 more giveaway too. And I'm about to keep me one because, dude, these bikes be so nice after. That's why, like, I know it be looking crazy, like how this one look right here for second place. But when y'all see the outcome of that bike, how this thing is looking, I can't wait till it's fully complete with the front fender and everything else on there. but it's looking amazing right now compared to what it used to be. I'll put a picture up if I can find one, or a video when I first got it, for y'all to see how damaged this bike was. So for me to see how I'm looking at it right now is amazing, man. This thing looks like $1,000,000, but you already know we at the house. We're not at the shop no more. So we're going to go ahead and open the garage, remove the car, put this thing outside in the sun, and give y'all a good visual, man. So check it out. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got this thing outside looking good. We got it super cleaned up. It's not 100% complete. We got a few things we got to still add on, but y'all see what's going on. I'm loving how these powder coated black parts look with that pig spit. It's shining, looking so much better than it was. That fresh paint. This thing is iced up, man. I'm loving it. What do y'all think, man? My boy about to be looking good in sack. I'm jealous. Woo! That front fender, this thing is about to look good. I would have rolled it down, but this bike is heavy. It almost took me down, but y'all see what's going on, dude. I cannot wait. This engine look good, man. Washers, that black, that fresh paint. This thing looks amazing. Yeah, he don't even know. He coming up big time, boy. Y'all better get in and win it, man. I'm telling you, y'all about to be dripping just like this, if not even better. We're gonna keep elevating our game every time. That's why I cannot wait. We're giving away this first place, paired together with the 2015 Silverado Lifted. Then we got second place, this 2015 Roadglide. This 2015 Roadglide used to look just like this. That's why it's so amazing to see this bike turn out like this, because I know it's nothing but work that's waiting to be done, and then you're gonna have a good result like this. It's only the beginning. I'm telling you, it's time to go up and make it count. But y'all see what's going on. I'm about to go ahead and roll this thing back in the garage, let it dry, go ahead and go get some gas from the gas station so we can put some gas in this joint, go over the whole bike, and then we're gonna hopefully get that first startup. Man, I cannot wait. I'm juiced up, I'm feeling good. I hope y'all amped up too, because it's been a long time coming, man. And do not forget about the 2006 Road King that we still have at the dyno shop. We are still waiting to get that bike back from the dyno shop. Still got to go on the first test ride, and still got to go ahead and get y'all some content on that thing, because we had that bike for almost like a year and a half. So we're going to have some content on both of these bikes coming to y'all real soon, man. So get ready for that. But like I said, we're about to go ahead and put this bike back in the garage, let everything dry up, and then we're going to go ahead and try to give it that first startup. So stay tuned, man. We slide in our hiding. Y'all see what's going on.